Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen lock and stutter in games on BLACKSHARK Pad 7 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and we wanna go and make sure that our battery saver is not enabled. So this is very important. Go to battery, and here you wanna make sure that your battery saver is not turned on, because if you turn it on, your performance is way worse. You also get the 60 Hertz refresh rate and not 120. Once you disable it, your tablet is back to being smooth, but once you enable it, it might be a little bit laggy. I know that you guys won't notice the difference on the camera because YouTube is still cutting the videos to 50 or 60 frames per second, but there's a big difference. And after changing the battery saver, what you guys want to do is go over and close every single app in the background. So we're gonna go over and click clear all. We also close the settings, but it doesn't really matter. Now we're gonna go over into apps, and here we want to click see all apps. We're gonna go and scroll down to our games. So in my case, it will be Brawl Stars. Here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to storage and cache. We're gonna go and clear the cache, also clear the storage. And once we do that, we only have the app size left. So we're gonna leave, and now we're gonna force stop the app. We're gonna click OK. And now if you turn it back, there will be a smoother gameplay because Brawl Stars actually allows the 120 Hertz screens. So you're not stuck playing with 60 Hertz. So that's how you guys can easily fix the screen lock and stutter in games. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.